Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about fatigue. What is fatigue in materials science? A. A type of corrosion. B. The weakening of a material due to repeatedly applied loads. C. The strengthening of a material over time. D. A heat treatment process. E. The sudden failure of a material. The correct answer is B. The weakening of a material due to repeatedly applied loads. Which of the following best describes the SN curve? A. Stress versus number of cycles to failure. B. Strain versus number of cycles to failure. C. Stress versus time to failure. D. Strain versus time to failure. E. Stress versus temperature. The correct answer is A. Stress versus number of cycles to failure. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the endurance limit in fatigue testing? A. The maximum stress a material can withstand. B. The stress level below which the material will not fail. C. The number of cycles a material can withstand before failure. D. The time it takes for a material to fail under cyclic loading. E. The minimum stress required to initiate a crack. The correct answer is B. The stress level below which the material will not fail. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.